Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control board in your electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the lower screws to release the upper rear access panel brace. Next, unthread the upper screws securing the panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the control board to fully release the panel. Next, disconnect the ribbon connector from the board. Note the orientation of the wire connectors connected to the control board, then disconnect them. Unthread the 4 screws securing the board to the control panel and remove the old board. Install the new control board by aligning it on the control panel, then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the new board. Connect the ribbon connector as well. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by first connecting the wire connector to the control board. Align the panel and replace the upper screws. Realign the brace, then thread the lower screws. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.